to Mom I'm Pretty Missy. My name is Elizabeth, and today I'm gonna be telling you why I chopped off my hair. Yeah, I chopped off my relaxed hair because each time it gets due down there, it's just so difficult to comb. I can't do practically anything with my hair except I add relaxer. Can you imagine? So I was tired of adding relaxer every now and then, so I had it chopped off. Yes, I had it chopped off last month. I am restarting all over. So this is what I have in just 1 month, and I am regrowing my hair naturally. I mean, with natural ingredients. Oh, that's amazing. And I'm gonna be sharing you my own little secret of this healthy hair. And it looks, look at that. Oh my goodness, it looks soft. I tell you, it looks soft, it looks healthy. Okay, let's go to business. Okay, we have these two oils. La 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 la. This is aloe vera oil. Aloe vera oil does magic to your hair, I tell you. And this is clove oil. If you combine these two oil properly, I tell you, you have a healthy scalp, you have a wonderful hair, and it will grow. Also know that you have to give your hair time for it to grow. So I'm going to be showing you my own little secret of combining these two oils together. My oil is special, is unique, it's so clean, I tell you. If you want to know how to make this aloe vera oil and this clove oil, I've been using it. You see, when I made this oil, they were full to the brim, and this too was full to the brim. So I've been using these two for the past 1 month to regrow my hair. And also know that what you take is so important in how to grow your hair. So you want to make sure that you take food rich in protein, fruit rich in vitamins, you know, essential vitamins, you know, take a lot of fruits so that your hair would, you know, grow properly, just as the way it should be. Okay, so enough of that. I'm just gonna go straight to how I combine these two oils for my hair. Okay, the first thing I do is take aloe vera. I just open and I pour a little amount on my hand right there. Look at that, just like that. Okay, and I have this clove oil right here, and I just squeeze it in like this. See, got that. It's so easy, I tell you. You know, just rub it together like this. See that? And it's just, oh my goodness. And just massage it onto your scalp, down to your hair. I do this every day. I mean, once I take my bath and I wash my hair with shampoo, I just apply this oil. I do it every day. I mean, every blessed day. So you want to do this routine every blessed day. You want to make sure you stick to a routine. You can just, you know, add more to just apply on your hair. Just mix it like that, and you just go again. You just mix it together, and oh my goodness, and I just massage it onto my hair right there. So this oil works for hair thinning. If you have, you know, if you're having problem with your edges, you can as well add it, massage it on your edges. If you have problem with hair fall, breakage, I tell you, this oil is all encompassing. So just massage it. And one thing again, this oil works for dandruff. Oh my goodness, just add it to your scalp right there. I don't have dandruff because I've been using it. I use this oil for my own daughter as well. So we both use, in fact my husband uses the oil. That is the oil we use in our home. We prepare our oil. So I use it on my scalp and I just massage it that way. I comb it out. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Just 1 month. This is what I have in just 1 month. This is what I have. Look at that. It's so full, eh? Look at that. Look at the back. So, look at that. Alright, guys. So this is what I have in just 1 month. You can as well apply it on your skin. You know, can apply it on your skin. So you have 2-in-1 oil to use on your hair and as well as on your skin. Isn't that amazing? It's so amazing. All right, so before I leave, I'm gonna add some beauty packs on my face. So my cucumber. I'm just gonna slice this cucumber right there. Slice like this. Look at that. All right, so I'm just gonna take one of these and it's all. Oh my goodness, if you had a stressful day, cucumber is just the best to apply on your face. Oh my goodness. Oh, cucumber takes off your eye bag, I tell you. I'm just gonna, go ahead and just completely. Oh, it feels so great. Just this, and I'm gonna just add another one here. Oh my goodness. I tell you, it feels so great. Oh, so if you're trying to shrink your pores, if you're trying to have a smooth face, and if you're trying to also get relieved from stress, I think cucumber is the best for you to put on your face. The best time for you to do this is at night when you're about to go to bed. I tell you, when you wake up in the morning, you have thick thing comes out from your eyes. This cucumber would have gathered everything on your face. So how I do this is when I want to sleep at night, I just put it like this and I sleep off on my bed. I just do that and I just put it here. Oh my goodness. And I just let it stay for about 5 to 10 minutes, and I can just change it as well. And once I'm done, oh, this feels good. Once I'm done, I just take it off like that. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, so just try it out. It's a very good way to release yourself of every stress. All right, I remain my humble self, Elizabeth. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.